Hi students, we are reading English ahead and the topic is present simple tense workbook page number 8 and the objectives of learning this lesson are to recognize present simple tense and to identify the use of do and the use of does. Moreover, to form negative and affirmative sentences. So, let's start. Present simple tense. Present simple tense is used to state an action which occurs on regular basis in present. These actions include habitual or repeated actions, scheduled actions occurring on regular basis, and facts that stand true all the time. Now let's see the structure of present simple tense in affirmative sentences. First of all, there is subject, then there is first form of verb and the addition of s or es with the first form, and then lastly there is object. At the end there is object. In negative sentences there is subject, then do or does plus not, and then first form of verb, and lastly there is object. And in interrogative sentences there is do or does and subject, then first form of verb and object at the end of a sentence. It's all about the structure of present simple tense. Let's see. Just keep the structure of present simple tense in your mind and keep it remembered that in interrogative sentences do or does comes at the beginning of a sentence.
Activity number 1 from page 8 of workbook. Complete the text with simple present tense. My name dash Gusty. There is be in the brackets, so we know when there is present simple tense we will use is, am or are at the place of be. My name is Gusty and I dash from Indonesia. In present simple tense we use first form of verb, so it would be I come from Indonesia. I dash with my family. I live with my family. I dash two brothers. They are two brothers, so with I we use have, not has. So that is why we write have got, because with have we use third form of verb. In sixth blank, I dash 10 years old. I am 10 years
Activity
old.
number 1.
Because with I we use am,
Language
not
focus
is, not
1.
are.
There are
My
some
brother
words
dash
is,
16
come,
and 10. My brothers
live, have
are
got,
10,
am,
16 and 10.
are,
Because brothers
enjoy,
are not singular, they are
don't,
plural.
like,
They both
prefer,
dash playing video
work.
games. They both
We have to
enjoy playing video
insert
games.
these words in the blanks,
I dash computer.
and it's
I not
in your
like the
activity
computer.
book, page
So
number
we
8.
have to write a helping verb. We will use I do not like computers. I dash reading. I prefer reading. My father and mother dash in a college as teachers. My father and mother work in a college as teachers. Activity number 2, page number 8. Rewrite the positive sentences using the negative sentences and negative using positive sentences. It means we have to convert positive sentences into negative and negative into positive. First one is Harun and Arun play football together every day. It is positive sentence, so we have to make it negative. Harun and Arun do not play football together every day. We will place do not in the sentence. Our teacher does not give us a lot of homework. Our teacher gives us a lot of homework. We will exclude does not and will add as to give. My sister is very friendly and she has got a lot of friends. It is positive sentence. We have to convert it into negative. My sister is not very friendly and she does not have a lot of friends. Next is I like playing video game with my brother. It is positive. We have to make it negative. I do not like playing video games with my brother. We long does not speak very good English. It is negative sentence. We will convert it into positive. We will exclude does not. So we long speak very good English would be the answer. Next is Ella does not carry a shopping bag for her grandmother. Ella carries the shopping bag for her grandmother. Here does not will be excluded and es will be added to carry. Here is your home task for this lesson. Your assignment is to solve activity number 3 from workbook page number 8. Do it carefully. You have to complete the sentences to form present simple tense. As your all concepts regarding present simple tense are clear, so hope so there will be no difficulty in solving this exercise.